If you want to change the language in Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch Google Calendar to your preferred language in just a few clicks. This is helpful if your calendar is showing the wrong language, if you're setting up a new account, or if you simply want to use Google Calendar in a language that feels more comfortable for you. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, look for the settings icon at the top. It usually looks like a small gear symbol. Click on that gear icon and then choose settings from the menu. This will take you into the main Google Calendar settings page. On the left side, you'll see a list of settings categories. Under the General section, find and click Language and Region. This is where Google Calendar keeps your language preferences, along with region-related options. After that, look for the language option and click it. You should now see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list or use the selection box to find the language you want to use. Once you find it, select your preferred language. As soon as you choose it, Google Calendar will automatically update to that language. In most cases, the change happens right away, so there's no need to refresh or do anything extra. If you're not seeing the update immediately, give the page a moment to reload or refresh the browser tab once, and that's all it takes to change the language in Google Calendar. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you use Calendar every day. If this tutorial was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I post more easy step-by-step guides to help you save time and get more done online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.